Jump ball. Young Dreamers basketball. Nice steal. Long pass. Shoveling violation. Nice steal. Jersey number 12, holding pass. Subila, good for 2 points. Going to shoot. Nice steal. Pull-up jumper. Subin now again. Back to back 2 points. Money 7. Jersey number 8, pushing back 2. Out of bounds. Young Dreamers basketball. Out of bounds. Virus basketball. Good for 3 points. Sumila, jersey number 17 of Virus team. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 17. Back to back 2 points. Jersey number 17 of Young Dreamers. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 8. Regular. Jersey number 5, pushing back, 2.
Ayaw ba?
Nice 2 points. Shooting violation. Jersey number 17. Black and foul. Nice D. Jumper. Assemble. Good for 2 points, Mr. Bisaya. Jersey number 5. Good for 2 points. Bisaya back to back 2 points. Nice 2 points from Young Dreamers. Maravillas. Maisabet. Jersey number 12. Pushing foul. 2 Pedro. Time. Sipping on the line. Riva. Jersey number 26. Maravillas from 4.5 meters. Sabe. Jersey number 12. Illegal use of hand. Good for 2 points, Mr. Bisaya. Jersey number 5. Nice steal. Long pass to Sumila. Sumila, traveling violation. Guni. Jersey number 27. Illegal use of hand. Your agreement 14 fouls. Jersey number 5. Illegal contact to the hand. 2 bonus 2. Penalty situation. Greedy jumper. Out of box. Time. Young Dreamer. Back to the ball game. Nice steal. Hustle. Traveling violation.
It's okay daw, it's okay. Bawi, bawi.
Sayaw. Backing. Front to the backcourt.
Sebab habis sana. Si sunod na ada. Anak dong. Ay ipasa sa bakor. Bakor ka.
Jersey number 17, blocking back. Shooting. Penalty. Connect 1 point. Second throw, 80 jumper.
Balik saking dito ping.
Nice ka dong.
Connect 2 points. Out of bounds. Fire Bruce, basketball. Three seconds violation. Young Grimmers, basketball. Nice steal, jersey number 15. Good for 2 points, simple basket. Again. Nice 2 points. Out of bounds. Young Dreamers basketball.
Matag jersey mandang me.
Ano ka?
Lawan na next mo.
Huwag nga ka, masunod, balik. Nagaan ka ba? Ayaw patuon ni Madam eh.
Goal for 2 points.
Basta ping, eh, makaupot ka na ping. Ping ka ba?
Out of bounds.
Yes.
1 minute and 1 second. More to play. Nice G. Young Rivers basketball. Nice C.
Kaya na dong.
Jersey number 26, Simple basket. For the 3 seconds.
Hoy!
Out of bounds.
Ah, dali na.
Bong.
Tagutungan. Ayan, tagukito.
Ito, Malazarte.
Malasarte.
Jersey number 5,
Ay, di ko na masama.
Jersey number 5. 2 personal foul.
Last shot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And drop!
Jersey number 15, holding foul. Penalty situation.
Uy, second five, amping ha.
Not basket. Illegal entry. Young Rivers basketball. 17 seconds. Intercept.
At seconds.
5 seconds. May nakitang foul. Jersey number 15, illegal contact with the hand. 2 free throws. Not basket. Time for the first quarter.
Bigas ka dyan.
Traveling violation.
Tita, ipa-third tapos ipa-presyo. Kasi biliyon siya sa third mo.
Out of bounds.
Down, ikaw na down. Nice pass. Bigat dito to.
Jersey number 30. Illegal Yusufa. Chube. Nice steal.
Okay, it's okay.
Goal for 2 points. Jersey number 30. Goal for 2 points. My ball. Jersey number 0. Holding foul. Vipers basketball. Offensive foul. Jersey number 19.
Ayaw lakad, ayaw lakad.
Zero. Pushing foul. To it. Jersey number 0. 2 personal foul. Goal basket. Micah Sanampa. Basket count. Jersey number 0. Black and foul. 1 bonus 2. Jersey number 0, Pian Dreamers, third personal foul. May nakita traveling violation. Lead violation. Out of bounds again. Ball out of bounds. Two points, jersey number 90. Jersey number 44, holding clock. May idang 7, jersey number 19, leader Yusuf Han, Chubin. Fourteen pounds. Bible team. Of principal of swinging of elbow. Jersey number 18, swinging of elbow.
Yun, it's okay, yun, it's okay.
Jersey number 19 of Bibles Sigan personal foul, not busted. Jersey number 30, legal use of foul, penalty, Sui. Good end. Again. Traveling violation. Basket down. Jersey number 72. Illegal contact to the hand. 1 bonus 2. See it again. Long pass. 1 points. Jersey number 44. Pasó. Jersey number 30, goes for 3 points. Traveling violation. Mr. Berra, Bible Street.
Ay, pagkatuwa kita.
Score for 2 points. Jersey number 3. Lopez.
Nice.
One nice 2 points. Jersey number 8. Maisabe. Jersey number 18. Push it back. 2 pointers.
Pero,
Both penalty. Ricky Jumper.
asang gitu na.
Three seconds violation. Jersey number 44 to Biran. 1 for 2 points, Mr. Biran. Out of bounds. Tara.
Bawi.
Lopez. Simple basket by jersey number 22. Ball out of bounds. Insigan Setlan. Nice 2 points. Ball out of bounds. Maisabe. Jersey number 18. Push it back. 2 Petros. Jersey number 18 of Fibros. 2 personal foul. Kuning. 1 point. Reed Jumper.
Kabilisyo. Ini ka?
Ball out of bounds.
It's okay.
Jersey number 18. Holding foul. Chue.
Yutre!
Player out of bounds.
Ayun! Yutre!
Penalty.
Yot, it's
Out of
okay,
bounds,
Yot.
out of bounds.
Yotre! Smile, Yotre, smile!
Yun!
Ayan, dyan lang, repa.
Jersey number 32, 72. Pushing Tokonasu. Timeout. Tigers.
Taking gidong, taking gidong. Aman dagard.
Ano ito gawas?
Kura.
Nice 1 point. 1:53 seconds. Jersey number 72. Illegal contact sa dahan. 2 free throws. CBT2 of Young Dreamers, third personal foul. Connect.
Abilisyo!
Jersey number 18 and 19.
Abilisyo!
Penalty.
Weekend! Lawan na, tulog ba yun? Lawan na, tulog.
Nice 2 points. Jersey number 19 of Bagos. Second personal foul. Nice 2 points.
Babat yung player ng kita ba yun? Weekend. Sunod na tayo.
3 seconds!
Team to shoot. Thirty-six seconds. Mr. Biray. Sabaling violation. Simput.
Sayang man.
Iya, kawaton si Kwano
Lihatan
Yerbing.
ng bola.
Yerbing.
Musayaw man ka na.
Four seconds. Lagi hapon. Sabaling violation. Vibros basketball. Long pass. Nice feed. Jersey number 9. 5 rows basketball. 5 rows. 5 rows basketball.
Anak muda. Pilihan na lang. Ada kita sudah. Oh,
Points, jersey number 21. 21.
Cai. Nice one, Dad.
Ball out of bounds.
Nice one, Dad. Nice one.
Young Rivers basketball.
Linaw, attempt to shoot, attempt to shoot.
Nice 2 points.
It's okay.
Out of bounds.
pinawala na ang katulid dyan. Oh.
Tulog. Bawal.
Jersey number 21, Tigika. This good shooting a shooter. One critical ball position.
Asa, pwede na daw, anak. Oh, ha, pwede na daw. Asa, ako na.
Jersey number 44, Liga Lisbon. 2 Bridges. Correct. Nice basket, jersey number 23.
Baugi niyo na, baugi.
23.
Bogi, umano kay Bogi kuan mo.
Para mo lift niya ang kwan mo.
Uy!
Nice basket.
To.
Dives.
Jersey number 6, legal contact to the hand. 2 shots.
Sa level mo. Yapo na ba ito?
Correct. First two. Second two, really jumper.
Nagtanta. Sige. Nice.
Traveling violation.
Sige, balik mo.
Insert. Ikot lang ito.
Yeah!
Stop!
Jersey number 20. Victoria.
Binitin, bro, binitin.
Nice hustle. Player out of bounds.
Pabilisyo! Pundo na, pundo.
Alright, sa... Ano ito, sa imo na. Wala ka na.
Ano sa talog? Agak.
Nice kick. Jersey number 21. Battles team.
Player gabi yung buwang niba.
Partida, ila ka tulog.
Bauki dong. Bong.
Offensive foul. Jersey number 21. Pushing foul.
Lemit dili. Oy. Lemit dili. Lemit. Hurus niya. Ambil jalan lebih dili.
Jersey number 21. Second personal foul. Battles team.
Nice one now.
Ball out of bounds.
Nice. Nice one
Nice
Kalum.
team.
Happy birthday.
Gapon naman kita.
Jersey number 20. 2 points. Ball out of bounds.
Nice ba? Nindot kayo.
Nice seven.
Dong.
Pabilisi.
Pawalan sa kanito. Pawalan sa kanito. Ay, nagtabik-tabik.
Jersey number 6.
Ayaw, balik
Pushing
ka, balik
foul.
ka.
2 brothers.
Oy, balik pa, oy. Balik pa.
Kaya na ni Udar Big. Pawalan sa...
Ayan na ni Fabricio.
First two.
Wow.
Connect. Second personal foul. Jersey number 6. Young Dreamers.
Tuloy na guards.
Connect again.
Apa, Martris?
It's okay na, it's okay, it's okay.
Bounce. Time out. Young. Back to the booking. Offensive foul. Jersey number 20. Offensive foul.
Pabilisyo.
Jalan ka! Uy! Ikat!
Agawa ng bola.
Jalan boy, balik Ikat! Balik! Uy, balik! Balik!
Nice pass. Jersey number 20. 2 points.
Ikat, balik po! Ikat, balik! Aba.
Coach. Si Pabilis lang. Ako ba? Tabilin. Ako Zara.
Jersey number 21, Black and Punk.
Madayo na sila.
Jersey number 21, third personal foul.
Siguro nga si Pabilis yun.
Ayun, sabi pa Patricio, babawan na. Best ball!
Jersey number penalty. Push foul, penalty situation.
Weekend balik po, kung di ka ka-score na.
Sige lang, ayun na daw nga. Ayun na, balik daw nga.
Balik to.
Sino ba pumalit ba? Ganito to. Pagdala ko sa bill.
Dili. Ako di pas, ako di pas sa kapuan. Gabay na.
Binili, sabi mo yung ayun yung Kobe.
Nice connect.
Uy, pasa kayo, Tre.
Uy!
Puta ta! Ay, baliw ko.
Out of bounds.
Gabay, gabay. Weekend, patay. Eh, pala ka, bay. Diyan, kung ikaw na bata yan. Weekend, ano mula weekend?
Dala! Yan isa! Na! Kana!
Weekend!
Isa!
Patay!
Gani!
Patay! Ay, daw sa mo balik na, wala ka tis na rin sa.
One 30.
Nakutungan!
Number 44,
Right!
legal use of hand. Penalty.
Roy, huwag ka na sigot ni Chuno. No, no. Abot. Eh, pag-chita na, bihon.
Wala ko naman siya ba? Nangingot ko ba? Ako siya kaya niya.
Two personal foul, jersey number 44, Virus team. One and 15. Nice steal.
It's okay.
Lopez. Nice 2 points.
Acting, ginalabi na.
Drama kay Kadal.
Jersey numbers 9.
Drama kay Kadal.
Legal use of hand. 3 team fouls. Young Dreamers. Sigang to play. Nice team. Go for 2 points. 45 seconds. Asibol.
Mabilis siya! Boy Kim!
Balag ka ka, ano, ito sa'yo mo na.
Ano, nagkikita, nagkikita. Ano, nagkikita, nagkikita, nagtawag.
Nice seven. Jersey number 23, legal contact to the hand. 2 free throws.
Yeah, boss, good.
25 seconds. Jersey number 6, pushing foul, Sue. Third personal foul, jersey number 6. 13 seconds. Shot clock. Offensive foul. Jersey number 44. Pushing. 5.6 seconds.
Wala na ito, wala na.
Hello, hello.
Ano na yung sila?
Jersey number 23, legal contact to the hand, take 2. First through.
Ay, bayan.
That jumper, second throw, ready jumper.
Ano daw, next week sa patila?
Coach! Pag abot o 4 minutes, ang tato na yung second. Silang bilay. Ang bilay.
Kami lugar dito.
Ay. Pagtapos, hindi mo sa yung first 5 seconds na yun.
Ay, kailangan naglatos naman. Attack Lino!
Jersey number 7, legal contact to the hand, take 2. Next take the ball. 8-feet backward versus Baron Amos, 16 under.
Pag-bound sila.
Jersey number 0, one forward position for Young Dreamers.
Ayaw lagi ba kayo? Bukna kayo ka.
Correct. Walker, jersey number 20.
Bilay! Stop daw, Bilay! Bilay! Stop daw, iwan tita.
Ball out of bounds. Jersey number 70, pushing foul. Substitution.
Darby.
Okay, jersey number 4.
Bulaki. Oh, yawa. Balik, try na siya. Tayo pasulot na ng defense ba? Bilay. Ikaw.
Out of bounds. Tigers basketball.
Yo, awet na sagot yo.
Young Rivers basketball.
Bilin si Kwan, bilin si Joria o si Chulo.
Substitution.
Bilin Chulo.
Substitution.
Bilin Chulo. Bilin si Chulo.
Ayun na dong. Ayun na, okay.
Talungan nyo ha, puro ko lang ko.
Oh, mana kay puro dagko.
Yo, dribbler ba? Oh, yo tre. Ball. Bulaki. Biging. Mas ano? No, agad no.
Nila pa yan si Pinoy, pero na lang nila.
Jersey number 30, pushing foul. Take 2.
Apa ilang kuray?
Dong, napura ka dong. Ha?
Sabar.
Second through, really jumper.
Ako wala ko lang ko. Hindi kayo mo.
Jersey number 5, unsportsmanlike foul. Katugriwan to 4. Substitution.
Ayun na. Dito na ulit. Dito na. Ano naman to na nahunat ni mo mayo? Ayun na kay palami hunat ko sa labaw na kayo kay dula lang kasi ba.
Agapon ka dito kasi pagapon. Tinunay naman to.
Young Breakers Basketball.
Gusto ko siya kasi ito nabanggalan ako. Number 30.
Ano? Ako lagi ko na po spoon na.
Ay, ito, ito. Hindi ba yan isa yun? Guard, wala ka, guard. Wala kayo. Wala ka. Ay, wala kayo.
Jersey number 27. Pushing foul. One bonus free throw.
Minutes na lang.
Stop.
Bago pa gani ka kasama.
Jersey number 18. Exhibiting. Illegal contact sa lahat. 3 free throws.
University of Cagayan de Oro.
Last two, really jumper. Nice 1 point. Jersey number 30.
Patay oras tayo.
Jersey number 3.
Nice one.
May sabi. 30. Jersey number 30. Illegal contact sa dahan. 2 free throws.
Uy.
Jersey number 30. Third personal foul from Young Breakers. Nice 2 points. Jersey number 6 from Young Dreamers.
Excuse me. Nabali ang score. Ilaha dapat ang score. 2 points. Dito. Sa Kwan Dreamers.
Okay, ma'am.
38.
Dala na ko rin.
Nice 2 points.
40 na, 40 na.
40.
40 na po. Kana.
Ball out of bounds. That 3 and 3-4 seconds. Remaining time for the last and final quarter. basketball. Goal for 3 points. Young Dreamers. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 3. Pass to 15. Jersey number 15. 2 points. Today 2 points. Jersey number 72. Offensive foul, jersey number 15. Offensive foul, Young Dreamers basketball. Connect 2 points, jersey number 15. 5 balls.
Sayang.
Jersey number 17. Legal use of hands. Substitution. Penalty situation.
Sumilaw. Sumilaw.
That counted. Second to lady jumper.
Dito na, Cash. Go. Sahig. Nice.
Out of bounds. Sea ball.
Yan, paitin na si Tiger. Sunod-sunod na siya mayap niya. Ay, ito mga muchut-chut ka wala.
Today 2 points, jersey number 23. 5 balls. Today 2 points, jersey number 72. Young Rivers. Traveling religion. Young Rivers basketball. Seagulls to play.
Balik na, Linaw! Balik na! Linaw, Linaw!
40 seconds. Mel Tower. Jersey number 26. Legal contact to the hand. 2 minutes free throw. First throw that counted. Second throw ready jumper.
Linaw, Linaw! Diyan, diyan.
Anong ulo mo? Ayaw na!
20 seconds.
Bop! Bop! Ayaw na!
Jersey number 35. For the foul. Turbo na Centro.
Nakasuyo. Di mahipunta. Kurang basta.
That killed it. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Quebec. 5 seconds. Winner. 5 from C.